In this short training video, you will learn how a child or a student can use EdgeAll to practice math. The student interface is very easy to understand and use. Here, I'm logged in as student Emma. The most important menu item after you log in is Goals. Clicking on Goals shows all the development goals that have been assigned to Emma. It shows all the goals she has already finished or she is planning to work next. For example, pictograph goal she has not even started working on. Most likely, she will be working on it next. On the other hand, divide by 2, she has already finished successfully with 90% score. If Emma wants to practice pictograph goal, she clicks on the begin button next to pictograph. What you see here is a simple student dashboard. If she wants to watch video lessons, she can click on the links next to camera icon. Top level icon gives concept videos. The lower level icon gives topic videos. To watch pictograph lesson, Emma clicks here.
A pictograph uses symbols or pictures to represent values. Each picture has some value.
Once she is done watching the video, she can start practicing by clicking on exercise. Or if she wants to take the test, she can click on the test. Once she has taken the test, the goal is complete. Now let's look at how does the exercise look like. There are 3 icons here. The student can refer to the video lesson at any time by clicking on the camera image. If you are using a tablet or a touchscreen monitor, he or she can use Whiteboard to show the rough work to the teacher. Teacher can view this and understand the knowledge gap and can provide personalized help in real time. If you do not have touchscreen monitor, you can click on this to explain your thinking to the teacher. Let us try to solve one problem. Here we are trying to add 2 fractions with unlike denominator. I'm going to provide an incorrect answer. Not only system tells you that you made a mistake, it also provides a step-by-step solution like a teacher. This really motivates the child to keep practicing difficult problem and get a mastery of the topic. EdgeAll has a large number of problems in its database. A student can keep practicing till she becomes good at it and gains mastery. If the student needs direct help, she can send a message to the teacher using the built-in safe messaging system. Just go to My Mentors, go to the teacher, and click on the mail icon next to the teacher's name. Teacher sees this email from a student and can reply to help that student. A student's performance can be measured by clicking on the progress report. That's all, folks. As you can see, EdgeAll is designed to be used by a student of any age and provides a very supportive learning environment for the student. It is like having a private teacher all the time with your child.